Unlocking the secrets of performance metrics. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and unlock its many secrets. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's crucial in both the business world and everyday life: performance metrics. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also why it's so important. So, let's get started. Performance metrics are essentially quantitative measures used to assess, compare, and track performance or production. Think of them as a scoreboard in sports. They tell you who's winning, who's scoring the most points, and who might need to change their strategy. In business, these metrics can refer to anything from sales numbers, customer satisfaction rates, to the time it takes to complete certain tasks. Performance metrics are crucial because they provide objective evidence of how well a company, a team, or an individual is doing. They help identify areas of success and areas needing improvement. Without these metrics, making informed decisions would be much harder, as there would be no clear way to measure progress or compare results over time. Let's look at some examples to clarify. Sales revenue. This metric measures the income from sales within a specific period, showing the effectiveness of sales strategies. Customer satisfaction scores. Through surveys or feedback forms, businesses can gauge how happy customers are with their products or services. Employee productivity. This could be measured in different ways, such as the number of tasks completed in a day or the quality of work produced. Using performance metrics effectively involves several key steps. 1. Choosing the right metrics. It's essential to select metrics that align with your goals and objectives. 2. Regular monitoring. Consistently track these metrics to observe trends, patterns, and areas of improvement. 3. Actionable insights. Use the data gathered to make informed decisions, whether that means changing strategies, improving processes, or doubling down on what works. Understanding and utilizing performance metrics can significantly impact success in any field. They offer a clear, objective way to measure progress, identify strengths and weaknesses, and make informed decisions. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of performance metrics and how they can be applied in various contexts. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning tips. See you in the next video.